Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Justine Lallemand and I'm a PhD student from Université Paris Diderot. The aim of my study is to investigate the impact of hepatic deletion of SPT2, which is a key enzyme involved in ceramide biosynthesis on energy homeostasis in mice. So, in the last decade, a lot of publications have shown that ceramides, which belong to the sphingolipid family, are involved in a lot of pathophysiological processes such as type 2 diabetes and insulin resistance. Moreover, a recent study suggests that plasmatic ceramide could be a relevant biomarker of type 2 diabetes. Because the liver is the main producer of ceramides and could be responsible of plasmatic ceramide synthesis, we downregulated SPT2 in hepatocytes of mice using the Crelox system. So, as you can see here, our cow mice, SPT2 LOX mice, displays a 50% decrease of SPT2 expression in the liver. So, the cow mice and their littermal control are fed with regular CHO or high-fat diet during 2 months, and we also performed several metabolic tests. We also measured the body weight gained during the study, and as you can see here, there is no significant difference for the body weight between the two groups of mice fed with regular CHO. But the cow mice seems to be protected against obesity induced by high-fat diet. Indeed, according to the measurement of body composition, the cow mice don't get as much fat as control one. This is associated with an improvement of glucose tolerance without an increasing insulin secretion. We also perform a triglyceride test tolerance, and after an olive oil charge, cow mice display a lower blood triglyceride level compared to the control. This result suggests that fat absorption defect for the cow mice, which could explain why the cow mice are protected against obesity induced by high-fat diet. Moreover, we notice that the plasma of the cow mice are yellow compared to the control. This is a symptom of the jaundice. So, regarding this result, our hypothesis is that SPT2, hepatic deletion of SPT2 induce bile acid excretion failure, leading to a fat absorption defect and the jaundice. Then, for the second part of the result, we were more focused on the phenotypic characterization of the mice and fasting condition. So, we measured the glycemia of the mice during 24 hours of fasting. So, as you can see here, the cow mice have a lower glycemia only at 6 hours of fasting. This is associated with a decrease of glycogen content in the liver and also a decrease of glucose production from pyruvate and glycerol. So, to conclude this part of the result, we can say that hepatic deletion of SPT2 impairs gluconeogenesis and also glucose storage or release or production. So, regarding all these results, this result highlights the impact of hepatic deletion of SPT2 on energy homeostasis in mice, especially on fat absorption, on glucose production, and storage. So currently, we are measuring the bile acid flow and composition in this mice in order to investigate the potential regulatory role of bile acid on glucose production by the liver. Thank you very much.